welcome back. We have another fabulous craft video for this Wednesday, and I'm going to continue with our pirate theme like we've been doing here recently. So if you can't not tell by either the picture or the title, we are going to be making some pirate hair accessories. Let me hold these up here. Yes, so we're going to be making these lovely like pirate kind of, the things that you put in your hair kind of accessories. So this is what mine turned out. And I'm going to be showing you how to make this one in this video. It's a really simple craft. It's basically just beading onto some string. But the main thing I wanted to show you is how I connect these charms down here, since I didn't just tie them on. Now I did at the top, I did just tie these off. So I could actually, instead of like putting them on like a hair clip or a rubber band or something, because I wanted to be versatile on how I could attach these in my hair. Plus I'm making some dreads, so I still haven't figured out like how I'm gonna have all this in there. So I'm working on that. But before we cut into the main portion of this craft video, please consider hitting that subscribe button if you are new to the channel, and be here for all of our lovely craft videos. And if you are I cannot speak, I about repeated myself. Sorry, it's been a long day, it's been a long night. We are at the end of the semester where I work, so it's been a little hectic at work and I'm a little tired. But anyways, if you are current subscribers, hello dears, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a fabulous week, and if you are at the end of your semester, good luck. That's all I got to say is good luck. Cram like you mean it. But I've already finished my one class, and now I'm on to my next class because we have 8 weeks, so I have like less than 24 hours between classes, so between semesters. So hey, it's consider before you get your master's degree that you really want to do this. But anyway, let's jump into this lovely video on how we make these, and I will meet y'all back when we get done. Okay, so here we are with our lovely little hairpiece video for our pirates, and the first things that we're going to need is a pair of scissors. We're also going to need some wire, the needle nose pliers. As you see, I dropped into the beads. I'm using 2 just because I found it easier when I'm working with certain things to use 2. But yeah, so we're going to be using the needle nose pliers. And then we have a variety set of beads. I just have some like silver beads, some little skull beads, and let's see, some little wooden beads, and then whatever kind of little charms that you have. For me, I went ahead and picked out some of the ones that I had laying around. And then I also ordered previously some pieces of 8 charms specifically for my pirate crafts that I'm fixing to be doing. See, and you are also going to need you're going to need your jump rings, and you're going to need your cord crimps. As you can see, I have them laid out in the bowl. Just give you a little close-up of the cord crimp there. See, now you can get the textured ones. It's supposed to hold better, but I didn't use that. And then, of course, you're going to need some kind of cord or embroidery yarn is what I'm using, I believe is what it's called, or embroidery kind of material. So, and then I also have a needle just in case I need it, which I think I tried to use it and it didn't really work out. But anyways, we're going to get started making our hairpiece. So let me just move everything out of the way. And I'm going to start with the black one first. And I'm kind of measuring out or estimating about how much I want to use or how much I think I'm going to need, because I'm going to do it kind of short to go with my length of my hair now, even though I have a feeling that when I go do my pirate that it's going to be a bit longer than that. So we're just going to use that. I'm just going to show. Okay, and so we're just going to take our end of our thread there, or whatever rope or whatever you're using, and then we're just going to make a nice little hoop and a knot, because I wanted the versatility of being able to attach it to different things like a hair clip, or put it through to a rubber band or some other kind of hairpiece. That way I didn't have to, it just didn't have one way to connect to my hair. So I decided to do that. And then I just cut off the excess string there. And then from this point forward, we're just going to sit here and put a random selection of beads onto the ribbon or to the yarn or string, whatever habit that you're using. So that is what I'm going to sit here and do. Okay, so now that we are at the end of our hairpiece and we're just going to tie off our beads, and then we're going to pull out, this is where the part where we're actually going to connect our charm to it. So I'm going to grab one of the little cord crimps and one of the jump rings along with my charm that I already showed you. And as you can tell, I'm going to show you too that I tied off my beads. I just did a couple knots, and then I'm just going to place the knot inside of the two little open flaps for the crimper, or for the little crimp piece. And I'm trying to position it right. I'm sorry it's off camera for you guys, but I was trying to get it in the right position. So once I get it in the right position, I'm just going to take my needle nose pliers, which you could use regular pliers, but like I said, I just have the needle nose pliers right there and they work just as well. And then you're just going to fold one side down, and then you'll fold the other side down, and that will, make a nice good tight hold onto that. And if you want to, you can pull it a couple times just to make sure that that hold is really, really good. So we're just going to put a lot of pressure on that. And then once it is in, like I said, we're just going to pull it a few times, and then, keep adjusting until you get it to where you want it to make sure it doesn't come out any. Okay, and then once you have it set, you just go ahead and cut off your excess little cord that you have there. And this is where we're going to take our jump ring and we're going to open it. So we're going to use our little pliers and open it. Okay, and then we're just going to thread it through the hoop on the crimp and the hoop on our charm. And this is where I said both the needle nose pliers come in handy, because it can sometimes be hard to kind of work in that little tight space there. So I just use both sets to connect it, and we are done. See, and it makes it look a little bit cleaner, and for me, I think it is a bit more secure. So, I don't know, but I figured y'all would enjoy this. So there we have it. Okay, so like I said, it's a really easy craft, and you can use whatever random beads you have, whatever random charms you have. I happen to have, I ordered specifically for this craft and for a necklace I want to make, and I might do some earrings just to have, I'm not entirely sure yet, but I went ahead and ordered my pieces of 8. And I will leave the Etsy link down below in case you want to order yours. I think I got this like a pack in, it was either a pack of 6 or a pack of 8. I can't remember, but I know it was fairly decent price. I think it was between $3 to $6 roundabout, so it wasn't that bad to get my pieces of 8. And these are actually like, they're not silver, but they're actual metal and they're coated silver, so it's really, really good quality. And then this I just had from some necklaces that I had made, and I figured it'd be really cute to add like a kind of girly touch to my pirate. So, and like I said, we just attach them either buy a rubber band or buy like a hair clip, which I do have some hair clips that I'm thinking about using, but I still haven't figured out like how I'm gonna do my bandana, so I gotta figure that out. Plus I have, like I said, I have dreads that I've made that I'm gonna be wearing, so you know, hey. But that's pretty much what they're gonna look like. I'm pretty sure if y'all have seen Pirates of the Caribbean, then you remember Johnny Depp, although his was more right up here. There we go. We'll just hang it right in front of the face. That's what we're doing with it. But like I said, it's a really simple craft. I mainly just wanted y'all to see a different way of connecting the charms if you haven't ever done that before, and if you want to make your own like pirate pieces, well, pirate hair pieces, there we go, then you can do it that way. I like it better because I think it looks cleaner. You know, even though we are dirty, messy pirates, we can still be a little clean. A little bit cleaner with our costume. I still have to dirty mine up. So, and then by the way, if y'all want to see like a conception video where I show you like my whole thought process on piecing my cosplay together and like show y'all like it together, then let me know down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to do it because I'm still piecing that together. I gotta get boots and pants. That's my two things I gotta get. I got everything else. I got the top, I got the corset, I got like another little toppy thingy. I got all of that. And now the hair pieces. So yeah, it's like I'm working on it. It's working on it. Thankfully I got until I think October to get this done, and I can't wait for Pirate Day at the Renaissance Fair. Yay! Woo. But anyways, I will let y'all go and free you from my randomness, and I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your day wherever you may be. And just as a little side note, be sure to check out our Etsy page. I just put up a whole bunch new like little stuff that I've been working on, so feel free to check that out. I cannot talk in this video. Oh god, I don't need to do that. But anyways, I hope y'all have a fabulous rest of your day, and if you're watching this at night, then I hope you have a fabulous evening, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Thank you so much, lovelies. Bye.